Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to talk to you about something a little bit different. I want to share with you my journey the past few months, what I've been going through in the past few months, what pushed me to create more motivational videos. I went through a major spiritual awakening. I know many of you probably heard people talking about it, or just, so celebrities saying walk. Not sure if you've been researching about it, if you know what that means, but I went to a major awakening. It's beautiful. I feel like everything is totally changed, starting from inside of myself. I changed my eating habits. I became vegan. I researched a lot. I watched so many documentaries. I read a lot. I've been following lots of spiritual teacher, and it's been a everyday practice for me. And I did experience some lucid dreaming, astral projection, and I could realize many things about the society. The informations are already out there. You can Google it, you can go on YouTube, and you'll find your answers. But besides that, I went through a phase that they call the dark night of the soul. And it's a moment that you feel like an ego death, and that you're just like, why am I here? What is my purpose? Why do I have to be here on heart, where everything is so materialistic, and it doesn't resonate with the person that I am, actually, the soul that I am. Because you see, this face, this body is not who I am. It's just like an outfit that I'm wearing here on planet Earth. So once you realize at a deeper level, it becomes being hard to be in this world where everything is so materialistic. Everything involves money. We kill animals to make more money, and when there are so many other options of being healthy and without necessarily killing animals. This is another topic. I don't want to go out of topic, but it is important for me to mention these things because it's really hard to share. So I know many of you might not resonate with what I'm saying, but I also know that the ones that are meant to understand my words, that are maybe going what I am going through, will find this message, this video helpful. What happened is that it's like you wake up in the morning and you're like, hold on, I realize all these things, but I am in the makeup industry. The makeup industry is very materialistic, and fake. A part of me just wanted to pack all my bags and leave and just travel the world. Okay, that's it. I'm done with this material stuff. I used to go to events and I couldn't breathe. I had to leave after 10 minutes because I was absorbing everyone else's energy, and I could sense and feel the fakeness, the material world that there is behind the makeup, because everybody wants to be beautiful, everybody wants to be seen, everybody wants to be perfect. You only matters if you have lots of followers, otherwise people don't even talk to you. And I noticed that even bringing my friend with me to events, and people will start to talk to them, and the moment that they realize that they are not in the business, they would just turn around and go talk to someone else. This is the level of fakeness of this industry. And mine is not hate. I know that each one of us operates on their level of consciousness, and I'm not mad about it. I am just sending lots of love and compassion to all of those people that every time they are in an environment like that, to an event, they put on this mask. So they are another person. They're not their true self. because they want the attention. So girls will start filling their lips, putting injections, changing their nose, changing their face, their body, everything, just to fit in that Instagram perfect image. The fact that I have all this following on Instagram, it's a blessing, and I have it for a reason. And after this purging, I started seeing things from a new perspective, and started being grateful that I have the chance to speak to so many of you, that I have been given this platform to reach younger girls. I want to speak to younger girls, to like teenagers who follow makeup, who are starting being interested in makeup, who follow makeup. Makeup is my tool to get to your hearts. You guys, I just want to show you who's here. What do you want, Tira? Huh? Tiramisu, why are you in my video? What? Wanna come to me? You wanna come to me? Oh, baby. Come here. Ciao, Tira.